All right, Marcelo made a good point. There was a sprinkler head that was broke in there. We didn't touch it. It was under the shrubs. But when they blew the sprinkler system out in the fall, the sprinkler was broke. So it couldn't pop up and let the water out of the pipe. Then the pipe split. Now, contractors, this is a message that I'm trying to get across. Whatever happens to that homeowner's yard, because you were in the back of that yard, you are going to be to blame. Doesn't matter if they got a giant destructive dog. It doesn't matter if they got kids and their friends. It doesn't matter if the lawn crew comes in the spring before that sprinkler system is opened up and causes all that damage. Who are they going to call? They're going to call you. Why? Well, because you had equipment and men and you unearthed things, and oh, it has to be you. It has to be you. So anyways, we fix whatever we come across because it just isn't worth it. So just a message to the contractors out there.